everyone. In this video, we will divide fractions. Divide 13/42 divided by -91. Whenever we divide fractions, we actually multiply by the reciprocal. The reciprocal is the flip-flopped version of the second fraction. In this case, 91 doesn't look like a fraction, but we can put it over a 1 and make it a fraction that way, because any whole number divided by 1 keeps its value. Now that we have a fraction, we want to change it to multiply by the reciprocal, so we will reverse the numerator and denominator of the second fraction, giving us -1/91. And because we've now done the reciprocal, the division sign becomes a multiplication sign. So we really have 13/42 multiplied by -1/91. Now that we have it all set up, we can go ahead and multiply. But actually, I like to simplify first before I multiply. Some people like to go ahead and multiply the numerator times the numerator and get -13 over a large number. But instead of multiplying 42 times 91, I'm going to go ahead and see if there's anything I can simplify in the numerators and the denominators. I can see that 91 is divisible by 13, so I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator both by 13. 13 divided by 13 is 1, and 91 divided by 13 is 7, so I'm left with a 7 in the denominator, which is a much smaller number than the number 91. And 42 doesn't have anything it can simplify with because both the numerators are now 1 and -1, so nothing will simplify. And we can go ahead and multiply across. A +1 times a -1 is -1. +42 times +7 is 294. And so our fraction is -1/294, and we're all done.